Mainline low flow variance shutdown. The message reads Mainline low flow variance shutdown, January 1st, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. Priority high. Mainline equals 1, zones equals 13, 19, 25. Variance threshold versus actual equals 20 versus 33.1. Expected versus actual flow equals 35 versus 26.1. Mainline zones are shut down. What happens now? The controller expected a combined total of 35 GPM from all three valves that were running, but the actual flow was only 26.1 GPM. It then closed the master valve, and there won't be any water in Mainline 1 and its zones until the variance message is cleared. On this site, zones 13, 19, and 25 are on Mainline 1. Mainline 2 isn't impacted. A common cause for Mainline low flow variance could be a flow restriction in Mainline 1 or with a zone valve that's connected to Mainline 1. On systems with the pump, there may be a low flow. Or perhaps the flow variance limit is just set too low. Looking at the message again, we see that zones 13, 19, and 25 are the suspects. Notice that the variance threshold is measured as a percentage. The controller was allowing a 20% variance, but actually saw a 33.1% variance. The expected and actual flows are measured in gallons per minute. The controller expected 35 GPM from zones 13, 19, and 25 combined, when in fact it only saw 26.1 GPM. Remember, this is a low flow variance. Troubleshooting a mainline flow variance starts with checking for an obstructed mainline. A ball valve that isn't open all the way would cause this. Perhaps there's an obstruction with one of the zone valves and it isn't opening all the way. It could also be an issue with the pump performance or the pump intake. You can find the flow variance limit on the Flow Setup tab under Mainlines. At Flow Management, I have a 20% variance, which is a good starting point. You may find that Advanced Flow Variance works better for you. It allows you to set different percentages for various expected flow ranges. For example, when the controller expects 25 GPM of combined zones, I set a 30% variance. When the controller expects a combined total of 300 GPM from zones, I can set a tighter variance of just 5%.